What's dipole? Dipole means minus q charge plus q charge separate a small distance 2a. Separate distance 2a is constitute dipole. So midpoint is O. Minus q charge present at A plus q charge at B. How much distance? 2a. So you want to find the electric potential at a point P. So our aim is to find the electric potential at a point P. How much distance R? Okay. So now electric potential at a point due to plus q charge. So V1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Let's say epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus q by distance. How much distance? We don't know that. So unknown value. That's R1. So electric potential due to plus q charge. So V1 equal to 1 by 4 epsilon naught q by R1. Same concept. So electric potential due to minus q charge. Electric potential due to minus q charge. Due to charge, how much value? So V2 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q by how much distance? We don't know that. The unknown value is R2. So R2. So net potential V equal to V1 plus V2. V1 equal to V1 plus V2. So net potential you want to find. What is net potential? Electric potential due to total electric field. V equal to V1 plus V2. Next. I just add up the board. What's V1? So V equal to V1 plus V2. V1 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 by R1. So already we wrote that V1 value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 by R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q by R2. So V2 value plus charge, here is minus charge. Which is constant? Q constant, 4 pi epsilon naught constant. Q constant, 4 epsilon naught is constant. Balance is 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So electric potential due to electric dipole, which value? Q 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Next, which one is unknown value? This R1 is unknown value, R2 is unknown value. So the R1, R2, we change the known value. First we want to find the R1. R1 you want to find out means using law of cosine law. Cosine law in 11th standard you have studied that. Cosine law. So formula R1 square equal to cosine law. R1 square equal to R square plus A square, R square plus A square minus 2RA cos theta. R1 square equal to R square plus A square minus 2RA cos theta. So our aim is to find the 1 by R1. So take step by step. First we want to take out the R square. 1 plus A square by R square minus 2RA by R square cos theta. So R cancel. So R is very greater than A. So A squared by R squared is very small. So neglected. So R1 squared equal to R squared 1 minus 2a r cos theta. Taking square root on both sides. Next step, taking square root. Square root on both sides. Upon taking square root means 1 by r. So r1 equal to r 1 minus 2a by r cos theta whole power r. Whole power r. You know that now. So our aim is to find the 1 by r1. To find the 1 by r1. Taking inverse. On both sides. So 1 by r1 equal to 1 by r 1 minus 2a by r.
Call.
1 divide this 1 by means goes to denominator. Denominator goes to numerator means 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Apply binomial theorem. Apply binomial theorem. 1 by r1 equal to 1 by r 1 minus of 2a by r cos theta. 2 cancel. So 1 by r1 equal to 1 by r 1 plus a by r cos theta. This is for equation 1. That's first equation. Equation 2. Equations 2. Now understood the equation. How to find the 1 by r1 is 1 by r 1 plus a by r cos theta. So you want the same principle, same rule have to apply to find the 1 by r2. 1 by r1, how much principles apply? The same rule you have to apply to the 1 by r2. So then only I can rub the board because I won't write fully. So r2 square equal to r2 square equal to r square plus a square minus 2ra cos 180 minus theta. Already diagram. Here is theta. Here is 180 minus theta. So cos how much theta? 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Minus cos theta, here is minus. So r2 squared equal to r squared plus a squared minus 2ra minus cos theta. R squared plus a squared minus 2ra minus cos theta. So r2 squared equal to r squared plus a squared minus plus 2ra cos theta. Just minus plus 2ra cos theta. The same rule. R2 is equal 1 plus a squared by r squared plus 2ra by r squared cos theta. Only different in first equation 1 by r1 minus sign, here is plus sign. That's only different. It's all same concept have to repeat. So what you did first one to find the 1 by r1 means that's the plus value. So r squared plus a squared minus 2ra cos theta for r1. R2 here is plus value. Then same thing, same value r squared, r is very greater than a. So a squared by r squared is neglected. Taking square root now. Taking square root on both sides. So 1 by r2 equal to r 1 plus 2a by r cos theta. Taking inverse. So 1 by, I take chalk-ish. Taking inverse on both sides, 1 by r2 equal to 1 by r. Taking inverse na, up ulta. So 1 by r2 equal to 1 by r. 1 plus 2a by r cos theta. Denominator goes numerator means minus half. Apply binomial theorem. Apply binomial theorem. So 1 by r2 equal to 1 by r. 1 minus, that minus value here, 1 by 2, 2a by r cos theta. The 2 cancel. Here is plus value. Upon 1 by r2 equal to 1 by r, 1 minus a by r cos theta. So equation 3. The equation 2 and 3 just listen, same value. That place in equation 2 plus value, equation 3 minus value. So R2 only change the minus sign. R1 is 1 plus a by r cos theta. 1 by r2 is 1 minus a by r cos theta. This both value, the 2 and 3 were equations, have to apply the first equation. Which equation, first equation? V equal to what's V? V equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So V 2 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What's 1 by R1? 1 by R. 1 plus a by r cos theta minus 1 by r, open bracket, 1 by r, 1 minus a by r cos theta. So V equal to 2 by 4 pi epsilon naught. V equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here is 1 by r, take out 1 by r, common. Balance value 1 plus a by r cos theta, 1 plus a by r cos theta, minus 1 plus a by r cos theta. That is, I multiply inside the bracket. Plus 1 is goes to minus 1, minus a by r cos theta is plus a by r cos theta. Plus 1 minus 1 is cancel. So Q 2a cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Already you know that T equal to very good 2 into 2a. Just apply formula. So V equal to 2 into 2a T cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. That's the final equation. So simple way. If you have doubt, ask me, I can rectify. It's very simple. Within 1 minute I can rectify it. What's 1 by r1? What's formula? V equals Q by 4 epsilon naught 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. R1 is 1 by r, 1 plus a by r cos theta. R2 1 by r, 1 minus a by r cos theta. Just add, get the V equal to Q cos theta 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Simple but very important questions. Try yourself.